Hello my dear kids, welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. Children, my name is Vandana and we are doing Maths Class 4th. This is a book, Joyfull Mathematics. So let's start a new chapter today. This is chapter number 4 of your book and the name of the chapter is Addition. So I know that everybody loves addition. Let's read what's written here. Something is given for you. Sandeep and Sonu are at the ground to watch hockey match being held between their school and the neighboring school. So hockey match हो रहा है उनके स्कूल और neighboring school के बीच में. It's the girls hockey tournament and many students have come to cheer up their team. So एक girls hockey tournament है और बहुत सारे बच्चे आए हैं टीम को cheer करने के लिए. How many students have come from our school? एक बच्चे ने पूछा. There are 568 girls and 475 boys. The total number of students will be 568 plus 475. Let us add and find out. So here we have added 568 plus 475. Let's add it. So 5 plus 8. 13. 1 carry. Now 6 plus 1, 7, and 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry. Next, 5 plus 4, 9, and 1 carry, 10. So, how many students are there? 1043. So, in all, there are 1043 students from Sandeep and Sonu's school. Addition is an operation in which one number is added to another number. So addition क्या एक operation है जिसमें एक number को दूसरे से add किया जाता है. The numerals to be added are called addends. So जिन numbers को add किया था उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Addends. And the number we get after adding the addends is called the sum. और इन दोनों को add करने के बाद जो हमें मिलता है उन्हें sum कहते हैं. After adding larger number is just like adding smaller ones. So the बड़े नंबर को ऐड करना छोटे नंबर को ऐड करने जैसा ही है. You always start from the unit place. हमेशा हमें जब भी हम ऐड करें हमेशा unit place से या ones place से ऐड करना चाहिए. And regroup if necessary. और जरूरी हो तो regroup करना चाहिए. Now let's learn the addition of 5 and the 6 digit numbers without regrouping. बिना regrouping के let's learn it. So addition of larger number is smaller, same as addition of small number. So large number का अगर हम addition करते हैं तो उसे same रखते हैं small numbers की तरह. Steps for adding large number are as follows. So क्या क्या steps है? Always write ones under ones, tens under tens, and so on. So ones को हमेशा ones के नीचे लिखना है, tens को tens के नीचे और 100 को 100 के नीचे और ऐसे ही आगे continue करना है. We should first arrange addends in column. Addends को हमें column में arrange करना है. Start addition from one place and move on to left. So हमें one place से start करना है और left तक जाना है. So here the first example is add 2583812 and 323141. So we are going to add these two numbers, you can see. So when we add 2 plus 1, we get 3. Similarly, when we add 4 plus 1, we get 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. And 2 plus 3 is 5. So here, children, the answer is 5, 7, 6, 9, 5, 3. Next, we have to find the sum of 6, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 and 155431. So when we add these two numbers, we get 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 4, 9 again, 5 plus 3, 8 and 6 plus 1, 7. So here the answer is 7,89,976. So as we have learned, how can we add without regrouping? Let's do this exercise given here, exercise 4.1. Here you have to add these numbers. So as I am doing, you have to do the rest of the questions, children. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. And 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 4 plus 3, 7. Here 8 plus 0 is 8 only. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So these rest two questions you have to do on your own like this only. Now let's move on to the next page. Here let's do this grouping of three numbers. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 is added. Next 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Again 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 8. Next 4 plus 5 is 9. Again 6 plus 2 8. So our answer is 89,878. Now let's do this one. 7 plus 1 8. Again 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So here our answer is 99,998. So similarly, children, you have to do the rest two questions. Now let's move on to question number 2. Here you have to find the sum. So you have to find the sum. For that you can arrange the numbers like this. जैसे हमने arrange किया ऐसे आप arrange कर सकते हो. Also you can do it like this also. So here the answer is 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 plus 2 is 6. So here the answer is 6,797. Let's do this one. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Again 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4,996. Let's do this one. 0 plus 9 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3,589. Now let's do this G part. Here we have to add these three numbers. So it has only 3 digits. So let's start adding. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. Next, tens digit. Let's add this tens digit. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 3 is 9 again. Now let's add these 100 digit. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 8 is 9 again. 3 plus 2 is 5 and here no number is there, so it will be 5. So here the answer is 5,999. Similarly, let's do this one. 5 plus 3, 8 and plus 0 is 8 only. Now let's add this tens digit. 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. Next 1 plus 8 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 0. It's 9 here. Again no digit is here, no digit is here, but only one digit is remaining. So the answer is 1,999. So children, like this you have to add the rest of the questions on your own. Now let's learn about the addition of 5 and 6 digit number with regrouping. So how can we do this regrouping? We used to do this carry or borrow, that we have to do here. So here 3 plus 6 is 9. Now 5 plus 7, 12. So 2 is written here. 12 का 2 लिखेंगे और ये जो टेंस प्लेस है इसे हम कैरी कर देंगे 5 की So now we have to add 5 plus 5 is 10 and plus this carry 1 11. So 1 is written here, 1 is carried over. Again 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 13. So 1 is carried over here, 3 is written. Next is 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 8. So here the answer is 83,129. Here you can see how we have added it. Addition of more than two numbers. अब दो से ज़्यादा numbers हैं यहाँ पे. Suppose 4 numbers दिए गए, 4 groups दिए हैं. How can we add it? Let's see. So this is our answer. So we have to add 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 4. 16. So 6 is written here, 1 is to be carried. Now again we have to add 4 plus 4 is 8 and 7 plus 1 is also 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 5 is 21. So 1 is to be written here, 2 is carried forward. Next 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10 and plus 2 is equal to 12. So अब जो है 2 यहाँ लिखा, हमने 1 carry forward कर दिया. Next 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19 and plus 1 which is carried over, तो 1 क्या 20. So 0 is written here, 2 is written on the top. अब next है 9 plus 2 which is 11. 11 plus 6 which is 17. So 7 is written here, 1 is carried forward. Next 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 is written here. So here children, this is our answer. Like this we have to make group any type of number that is given. हमेशा हमें क्या करना है, ones digit से start करना है. So यहाँ पे 2 digit हैं तो इन्हें हमें ones tens के according लिखना है. यहाँ पे 4 digits हैं तो इसके according लिखना है. 5 हैं तो उसके according और 6 हैं तो उसके according. And then we have to add from the ones side. Now let's do this exercise number 4.2. Here the first question is 5 plus 7. So children, here the first question is 5 plus 7. So here the answer is 12. 1 is carried forward. Next 9 plus 1 10 and 10 plus 1 11. Next 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So here the answer is 89,612. Now let's do this C part. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. Next 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19. 1 is carried. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. Now 7 plus 2 8 9 and 1 10 and 2 12. 7 8 9. So here the answer is 92,299. This B part children you have to do on your own. Similarly you have to do D, E and F part. Now let's move on to question number 2, which is also addition, and here no groups are made. You have to make the groups and then you have to add. So we have to write these numbers like this in our notebook and then we have to add them. So here 8 plus 3 is 11. Again 4, 5, 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8, 6 plus 1, 7 and 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. So here the answer is 35,061. Similarly, let's do 1 from here and rest you have to do on your own. So let's do this D part. 333 502. Next 264397. Next 11480. So children, let's add this. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 8 is 1 is 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. Next 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, 6. So here the answer is 6,09,379. So like this, children, do the rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Now let's learn about the properties of addition. When we add 0 to a number, जब हम किसी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करते हैं, the sum is the number itself. जो sum है वो number खुद ही होता है. So here when we add 0 to 47,289, it becomes 47,289. Means कोई भी change नहीं आता. अगर 0 को हम किसी भी number में add करते हैं तो number change नहीं होता है. Now the second property says when we add a number 1 to a number, जब हम किसी number में 1 को add करते हैं, the number is a successor of that number. जो number आता है उस number का successor आता है, means एक number ज़्यादा आता है. For example, 81,399 में हमने 1 को add किया, so the answer becomes 81,400. Similarly, 69,734 में हमने 1 को add किया, तो answer बन गया 69,735. Now the next property says a change in the order of the addends does not change the number of the sum of the two numbers. So अगर हमने addends को change कर दिया तो sum change नहीं होता. For example, take 42310 which is 42,310 and 23,410. So अब हमने जो है इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड किया, तो जब इन्हें ऐड किया तो आंसर आया 65,720. लेकिन अब हमने क्या किया, 23,410 को ऊपर लिख दिया और 42,310 को नीचे लिख दिया. सो इन दोनों की प्लेस को हमने चेंज कर दिया है. तो दोनों के प्लेस चेंज करने के बाद भी क्या आंसर आया, 65,720, विच इज द सेम इन बोथ ऑफ these. तो इसका ये मतलब है कि अगर हम इनकी पोजीशन को चेंज कर देते, इनके एडेंड्स के ऑर्डर को चेंज कर देते, तो भी आंसर विल बी द सेम. सो नेक्स्ट रूल इज a change in the grouping of the addends does not change. So क्या होता है, अगर हमने grouping में change कर दिया addends के, so it does not change the sum of the three numbers. तीनों numbers के sum को change नहीं करता है. Same as rule number 3. This property is called grouping property of addition, और इसे ही grouping property कहते हैं addition की. For example, take number 1 2 3 4 5, then 5 4 3 2 1 and 1 1 1 1 1. So जब हमने इन सबको ऐड किया, पहले हमने इन दोनों के ग्रुप बनाए और इसमें ऐड किया तो आंसर आया दिस, और जब हमने इन दोनों के ग्रुप बनाए, बाद वाले दो नंबर के ग्रुप बनाए और इन्हें ऐड किया तो भी आंसर आया सेम. सो इसका मतलब हम किसी भी तरीके से ग्रुप करें, आंसर विल नॉट चेंज. नाउ लेट्स fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. So addition की properties अभी हमने पढ़ी. Let's fill in the blanks here. Here the first question is 32,387 को हमने ऐड किया है 22,485. सो अब हमें क्या करना है, इज इक्वल टू के बाद आप ये वाला नंबर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है, तो हमने क्या किया, इनकी पोजीशन चेंज कर दी. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट, दिस नंबर इज टू बी रिटन हियर. सो द नंबर विल बी 32,387. क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 46,474. Here also 46,474. Here is 72,985. Here also 72,985. Here 32 is written, so here we are going to write 32. So this property says both the sides should be equal. Now when we add 0 to this number, नथिंग विल चेंज, ये नंबर सेम वैसे ही लिखेंगे जैसा लिखा हुआ है, नो नथिंग विल चेंज हियर। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 89,324, यहाँ पे भी 89,324 लिखा हुआ है, बट यहाँ पे 92,087 को हमने ऐड किया है, यहाँ पे नहीं ऐड है, तो चलिए इसे यहाँ पे ऐड कर देते हैं। सो दिस विल बी द आंसर। नाउ लेट्स सी डू दिस सेवेंथ वन। चलिए सेवेंथ करते हैं। अब यहाँ पे 78,729 में हम क्या प्लस करेंगे कि 78,279 आएगा। ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे हम 0 प्लस करेंगे तभी सेम नंबर आएगा। अगर हम इसके अलावा कुछ और प्लस करेंगे तो नंबर विल चेंज। So similarly children, you have to do the rest of the questions here on your own. Now what is finding missing digits? So missing digits को कैसे find करना चाहिए? So here we can see there's an example given. यहाँ पे कुछ numbers हैं जहाँ पे आप वो missing है उन्हें आपको ढूंढना है. So here the step 1 says in one's column we can say 3 plus 5 plus dash is equal to 9. तो one's column को हम अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे तो 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. अब 8 आ रहा है इन दोनों को प्लस करके, ओके, लेकिन एक नंबर मिसिंग है और आंसर क्या आना चाहिए 9. सो 8 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि 9 आंसर आएगा. सो हियर वी हैव टू ऐड 1. सो 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. अब स्टेप 2 क्या कह रहा है, 4 plus 8 दिया हुआ है, तो 4 plus 8 is 12. जब हम 4 plus 8 करते तो आता है 12, बट यहाँ पे 4 लिखा हुआ है. सो ऐसा क्या नंबर ऐड करेंगे कि 2 की जगह पे 4 आ जाएगा. सो ऑब्वियसली हम क्या करेंगे, इस 12 को जो है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, since 4 is less than 12 sum must be 14. सो नंबर यहाँ पे अगर 14 आ जाएगा तो इसका मतलब 4 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सो हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे लिखना है 2. सो अब जब हम इन्हें ऐड करेंगे सो द आंसर विल बी 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 हम कैरी 12. Done? Okay. Now let's see the step number 3. अब स्टेप नंबर 3 को जब हम देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा 3 plus 8. It will be 11. 8 plus 3 will be 11. अब 11 में हमने अपना कैरी वाला 1 भी प्लस कर दिया तो हो गया 12. ओके, अब 12 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि 5 आंसर आएगा. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 3. डन. नेक्स्ट 4. अब यहाँ पे 9 आंसर चाहिए हमें, ठीक है, तो 1 विल बी कैरिड हियर क्योंकि हमने इन्हें ऐड किया है. 3 is added, so 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 8 is 15. So 1 is carried forward here. So 9 plus 1 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 आंसर आ रहा है बट आना क्या चाहिए 9. So ऐसा क्या ऐड करेंगे, 14 में से 9 को माइनस करके देखते हैं तो क्या आंसर आएगा 5. जब हम इन दोनों को माइनस करते तो आंसर आता है 5. सो 5 विल बी रिटन हियर. अब हम टोटल करके देखते हैं. 5 plus 4 is 9. ओके, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. अब 1 कैरिड हो जाएगा. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here the answer is 49,549. So children, finally we can see 49,549 is our answer. Now let's do the exercise given here. Here we have to write down the number. 6 plus 0 is 6. Now here 2 is written, 2 लिखा हुआ है but हमें आंसर क्या चाहिए 6. तो 6 में से हम 2 को क्या करेंगे माइनस, सो आंसर विल कम 4. सो जब हम ऐड करेंगे 4 plus 2 is 6. अब 4 आंसर आना चाहिए, यहाँ 0 ऑलरेडी लिखा है तो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर 4. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Now 3 आंसर आना चाहिए तो हम यहाँ लिख देते हैं 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is the answer here. Now let's do this third question. 6 plus 0 is 6 again. अब again यहाँ पे हमें 4 लिखना है. Next 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. अब यहाँ 4 दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, फिर से 4 लिखना है हमें. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Again यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now let's do this. 5 plus 2 7. Next 6 में हम क्या प्लस करेंगे कि 1 आंसर आएगा. तो 1 आंसर तभी आ सकता है जब हम 11 लिखें, और 11 लाने के लिए हमें 6 में से क्या माइनस करना है. सो 6 में से हमें जो है 4 प्लस 5 प्लस करना है, तो क्या आ जाएगा आंसर 11. सो 6 प्लस 5 इज 11. 1 हो गया कैरी. नाउ 9 प्लस 1 10. अब 2 लाना है तो हमें क्या चाहिए 12. 12 के लिए हमें यहाँ पे 2 को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. तो 9 10 11 12. 2 आ गया. 1 को हमने कर दिया कैरी. 4 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 9. अब सिमिलरली 8 है, यहाँ पे 3 लिखा हुआ है. सो 8 माइनस 3 कर देंगे. सो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 5. सो here 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Similarly, children, you have to complete the rest of the questions on your own. Next, let's come to the this page. Let's do this ninth one. Ninth question को हम करते हैं. Here 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. अब हमें क्या चाहिए 8. तो 8 पाने के लिए हमें जो है क्या करना पड़ेगा 18 होना चाहिए. तो 18 तक जाने के लिए हमें कितने नंबर चाहिए 7. सो अगर हमने यहाँ पे 7 को ऐड कर दिया तो आंसर विल बी 11 प्लस 7 इज 18. 1 हो गया कैरी. नेक्स्ट 1 प्लस 1 2. अब यहाँ पे 0 ऑलरेडी है. 5 चाहिए तो हम यहाँ पे 3 को ऐड कर देते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट 4 प्लस 1 5. यहाँ पे क्या है 9. तो क्या हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे 4. 4 plus 4 8 and plus 1 9. Here 0 is already written. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 3 12. So here we have to write it 12. Next, here it is misprinted, you have to write here 12. Next 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So here we have to find out 15 आएगा तभी we can write here 5. So 8 we have, then what we have to add here 15 लाने के लिए we have to add 7. So हमने 7 को इसमें add कर दिया. So the answer is 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. अब 15 का 1 यहाँ पे हो गया carry. Next 8 plus 1 is 9. So here we have to write 0. Clear? So this is our answer. Now let's move on to word problem. In a fruit mart, there are 16,500 guavas and these many 19,950 oranges and 16,560 apples. So fruit market था, वहाँ पे इतने guavas थे, इतने oranges थे और इतने apples थे. How many fruits are there in the fruit mart? Fruit mart में कितने guavas कितने fruits हैं? तो guavas, oranges और apples को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो number of fruits हमारे सामने आ जाएंगे. Now let's do this exercise 4.5. Here all the word problems are given. In a general election of a Lok Sabha seat, 3 candidates secured these many and these many votes. So 3 candidates से candidate number 1, candidate number 2 and candidate number 3. उन तीनों को इतने इतने votes मिले. Find the total number of votes poll. Total कितने votes मिले हैं. So we have to add all these numbers. 99, 268. Again 44, 229. And when we add all these, the answer will be 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 9, 2 is added here. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 is to be added. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, 9, 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19. 1 is carry forward. Next, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19. So here children, total 1,99,747 votes were polled on that time. Similarly, let's do this question number 3. We have done this first one. So here the answer is 199745. Now let's do this question number 3. So there are 48,281 deers. Next, rabbit is 32,642 and other animals are 38,242. How many animals are there in the forest? So here it's asking about the total number of animals. So what we have to do? We have to add all these. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. Next, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Next, 8 plus 8, 16. 16, 17, 18 and 19. Next, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So here children, this is our answer. There are total 1,19,165 animals in all. So here let's write down the answer. Answer is 1,19,165 animals. So like this children, you have to do the next question. Let's do the next question. Question number 6. A survey on transport of a city shows that there are these many buses. So buses are 6,043. Another, these many cars. Cars are 10,425. These many motorcycles. So 14,800 motorcycles. And other vehicles are 50,460. So you have to find the total number of vehicles. So total, for taking out the total, you have to add all these. So 5 plus 2, 8. Next, 4 plus 2. Sorry, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. Add. Now, 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the answer is 81,728. So let's write down the answer. Answer is 81,728. So there are these many vehicles in that area, in that city. So like this children, you have to complete the rest of the questions that is given to you. And with this, we have completed the chapter. I hope that you have understood addition, and the rest of the questions that is given to your homework, you have to complete it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me, and I'll be meeting you soon with a new video. Till then, stay lated.